Welcome back to American Made 1999. Today we are going to the St. Louis Gun Show for February 3rd and 4th. It's actually located in St. Charles, Missouri, regardless of it being called the St. Louis Gun Show, but that's fine. So we're going to get there and we're going to see what we can find inside. Stick with us. People in the military used to actually take pictures of their family and put them in pistol grips to look at while they were out overseas. So today, just for a recap, I wound up spending $53. That's including tax for everything, not including my cost, which was $14 to get in. I wound up getting the 5.56 900 cartridge ammo box for $10, so not bad. I'm not too bad. That's not too shabby. I got the wrench here for $20. I looked online, those are going anywhere from $20 plus shipping all the way up to $35 with no shipping. So I mean, I was there, I was going to wind up getting it anyway, so I might as well have just gotten it then and there. Another thing I got was a low profile gas block. I believe I got this for $15, and so I'll just take that out real fast just to show you guys what this is. Comes with the Allen wrench to replace the, well, when I'm putting it on my rifle. The pin, I'm not going to take that out, don't want to risk losing that. And then the actual gas block. So that's just a black steel. It's not stainless steel. I didn't want to get that. The stainless steel is $35 or something like that. So I just saved a couple bucks on it. So not too bad. I think it was either $15 or $20. I'm not positive. And then so I got these two from the same dealer, and then he was selling magazines for 3 for 20, and then or $7 for a single. So I said, I'll give you $5 for one. He said, yeah, that's fine. So I'll just go over this. The gas block I was gonna need, so it's gonna replace my original railed gas block. So once I get this popped on, all I have to do, I'm not going to pop that on until I get a free float handguard, just so throw this underneath that, so that way I can get that going. And then that's the reason I got the wrench. One thing that I might not have gotten the magazine if I had known beforehand. So here's my magazine that I got with the rifle. So it's real easy to slide in, no problem whatsoever, and it drops. I really like that feature. These does come with a little clip up top. These, however, it's kind of a pain to get in. So it's in there snug, and then you can see it doesn't drop, so you have to manually pull it out. But I mean, if you're just for $5 and I'm just gonna be range shooting with this, I'm not really gonna complain. It's a 30-round magazine, so that's good with me. So that was my $53 purchase. Not bad.